Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to share a new video call link on WhatsApp using the desktop app on your PC. This feature is perfect for connecting with friends, family, or colleagues effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you're not already using the desktop app, download it from the official website or your system's app store and link it to your phone. Next, look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see a phone icon. Click on it. This will take you to the Calls section, where you can manage all your call-related activities. Now, click on the option labeled New Call Link. A small menu will appear asking you to choose the type of call. Select Video to create a video call link. Once your link is generated, click on Send Link via WhatsApp. This option allows you to share the video call link directly with your WhatsApp contacts. Finally, choose the contacts or groups you want to send the link to. Once selected, click Send, and your video call link will be shared instantly. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a video call link using WhatsApp on your PC. This feature makes it incredibly easy to invite others to join a video call with just one click. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy video calling!